Hello guys, it's your boy Rex Official. Today we're reviewing one of the most hated Roblox YouTubers in the world. We're starting first with CNP Queen. Bro, God, I hate this woman. He's a disgrace, bro. She's... Look at this. What the heck is this? Even, bro, she's on live earlier, bro. I know she's on live earlier, bro. Wait, let me find her. She's on live earlier, bro. I found her live earlier. Bro, look at this. What the heck is wrong with her? Looks more like you're stealing your mom's credit card. Bro, if you see this video, CNP Queen, I don't care what you give me. You're a bum. That's what you get, bro.
An idiot sandwich.
Like, subscribe to this. That's what. Oh yeah. So after I end this video, I'm gonna watch this. CNP Queen's getting cooked by steak. But first, like, look at her videos. See, even CNP Queen fans, bro, everyone so unsubscribe to her right now. Even CNP Queen unsubscribe to her. Absolutely unsubscribe to her. Please reveal. Let's find offline ghost mode. Yeah, this stupid account of CNP. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna watch this later. Roasting CNP career? Nah, jit, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, still ugly. Roasting CNP. Yeah, bro, roasting CNP Queen. Roasting CNP Queen. I like the ones who roast CNP Queen. Look, DJ loves turbos. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Next up, I'm gonna search it. First, let's search. Wait, let's see this. CNP Queen versus Tuber. Oh nah, Jits, you're cooked. See. That's crazy. MM2 Tuber 93 versus Teamers. Wait. Oh. So today we're ending the video. I'll post it later, guys. Hey, if you're a bacon, don't talk to me. Shut up, CNP Queen. Nobody cares. Get a life, you stupid hairless thing. Bro, yeah, Creecraft. Bro, CNP Queen has a generation of an bomb. You know that, guys? So if CNP Queen sees this, bro, I don't even care, bro. Next time I'm gonna make her cry. Okay, bye guys. Jet, I gotta go.